Hey Sarge, up here. Say hi to everybody. Yeah, it's my buddy the Bull Terrier, Sarge. I was gonna show you this PWM. I talked to the guy a couple days ago, and he said he can do some different programming for us on this PWM. You just there's a switch on here. You can add this on or not, or you can put it remotely, like the ignition. But it's a soft start. And what you do is you just you're going to push this button here, and you're going to set your intro to on. Hit it again, on. Hit it again, saved. And now we can scroll through. The lifetime timer is 65,000 hours timer, so you can see how long your fuel cell's been running. There's your amp set for your PWM. We have it 25.1, that's saved. And then voltage sensing. What this is you can adjust this off or on. I'm going to have them change something on this. What it does, at low voltage at 12 volts, it will shut down your fuel cell in case you leave a key on or something. And then it won't come on to 13.5 when your alternator's up and charging. I might lower that voltage through a program, and so you can go no or yes. That's saved. There's a level alarm. That's tells you the level of your reservoir, and if it goes low, then you'll get an audible warning. Here you can calibrate your amp meter. It's automatically programming it. That's complete. And then 7, we're going to exit the menu. And then what I want to do is have him change the lower right corner to a frequency setting. And I want the adjustable duty cycle and the frequency adjustable. And maybe a couple other things. But it comes with like a 12 to 15 foot Ethernet cable. And plugs into this PWM here. And that can be remotely put somewhere. Just have to make sure you got good airflow. And right now we had it set for, I think, 25 amps. I never go past that. So what I was doing today is I was having some problems. It just get a little hot on this fuse area, and I had one of these older style. I have paint on my hands, so I was painting something. You can see they're these older style stereo fuses, they get loose, and I never did like that connection. I had a car audio shop for 25 years, and so this is a little newer style. You can actually tighten these down over here, you know, make a nice tight connection. And then what I did to all my wires, every time I did a car audio, I tinned my wires. I got a lot of comments sometime about this, that it's not good, but I will always do it. So I tin the end, so when you put it in here and tighten that screw, it doesn't end up something like maybe this one. Because if you're going to twist this together and just push this in, where's that screw going? So I always tin the wires, and this is a pretty good connection here, so I kind of like that. When we sell some units, we still didn't get our brand new fuel cell that we designed, me and Daryl's, from the machine shops yet. We have to wait till he gives a call. So what I was doing today too is show you what you do on this PWM. It's pretty easy. This back screw over here is your low level sending. You can hook that up to your float inside your reservoir, and then you have this control is your ignition on. You can put that on your key. Maybe you want to put a relay there if you want to. And then you have your H for your hydrogen negative. The B negative is for your battery negative. The other H plus is for hydrogen positive, and the B plus is for battery. And then you plug it in here with your cable, and then you plug your fan in when you close it up with that there. And I'm making 2 brand new cells similar to this one, but they're going to be totally different. That's going to go in my S10 for now and one for the street rod until I get these machine shops to do something. So I'm going to add another plate. This is 4 neutrals. I'm going to put 5 on each side, so that'll lower the voltage of the gaps. But this is some of the production that this is doing. I didn't check it yet, but it does pretty good. What I've been doing is talking to a gentleman who's never been on YouTube, and he enters a competition. I think it's sponsored by MIT in Houston, Texas. They go from Houston to Florida. I talked about that. I'll let you know when it comes up. His vehicle gets 100 miles a gallon. He's in the hydrogen class. You're welcome to go down anytime and join this and run with these guys. It's 1,200 miles on Route 5, he told me. And his cells are very small. They're titanium. It took him a long time. He's been doing it since 1960s. And he's an engineer, automotive engineer. And he has some tricks up his sleeve that he's been telling me. So I'm going to be selling some of his stuff online. He has a nice PWM that's frequency controlled, and it actually works with your throttle, and it's a pretty cool piece. And he's going to be selling me his titanium plates. They're very small. You only need, he's been telling me, and I've seen it a couple other places, 0.25 to 0.35 will supplement 1 liter of your engine size. So if you have a 2-liter car, 1 liter cell is plenty to supplement it. So I'm going to be doing that on my S10. He's been telling me about other stuff, like he runs his stuff hotter. He runs it around 150 degrees, and some people that separate their oxygen, he just said he wants the oxygen in there for a certain reason. I bought this a while ago. This is supposed to separate the oxygen and hydrogen. I will put that on my S10 to see what it does. Oxygen comes out the bottom. You put your hydrogen in, hydrogen out, and it's supposed to be a special membrane that allows the hydrogen to rise, through a membrane in here. I'll try it, because sometimes until we get some of his tricks, I guess it's like my computer will figure it out in about a week and go back to its 14:7:1 air to fuel ratio. So I guess that's what the computer's supposed to do. And maybe with some of his tricks, or maybe something like this, I don't know, might work. So when I get the other dry cells done, I will put one on the S10 and we'll see how it works. So just wanted to show you that today. I also bought this. This is a 12 to 24 boost converter. My PWM's out right now, the one that can take 24 volts. I'm going to fix it and then just see what this does. So keep in touch, and just wanted to show you what I was doing today. So have a great day. Talk to you guys a little later. Bye.